Yeah, it's the beginning of Mustang Monday. Got a late start today, but Ryan's over there trying to finish his corner. Hopefully, I'll have that done soon. So you can start finishing the punch list. Over here, what used to be a fender, getting ready to put my backer plate in and trim up the wheelhouse to put the new one in. Get rid of all that ugly. As you can see, they were overdue. Nothing but pop rivets and aluminum flashing. So it's already been cut once, so I said we better just go right over it, you know. Get rid of it. Too much Bondo on the other side, even though I did. Pretty nice job before that. We're gonna go with a full continuous panel. We need new wheelhouses anyways, so you gotta cut off that part anyway. But got the new one from CJ Pony. Just a little bit of cleanup, and hopefully we'll have it done today. Ash, what do you want me to see?
So I think this is good. It's tacked in all the way up there.
Let's see.
It's decent.
No longer a removable piece, which is good for us.
Except for down here, I haven't tacked that yet, but... What?
That ain't too bad. That'd be alright. CJ Pony. You got a little cricket on us. It's probably our fault, but we'll pretend it's theirs. Looks good though. Like a brand new nickel. See? Yeah, I don't think you need to really tack down there, but... Alright, Brian, it's the end of Mustang Monday.
Mm-hmm. It was like Mustang afternoon Monday.
Yeah, Mustang afternoon. We only had, what, 5 hours to work on it today.
Lost a couple hours, but still.
Yeah.
So let's see here. We got...
From last week.
Start right here. We got that welded in there. Probably 8 spots in there.
What welded in?
Put more or not.
Oh yeah, so we're trying to get this to looking halfway decent. It's pretty ugly, but it's got a lot of grinding to go on that one.
And then over there, do the same thing. Trim it up.
Trimmed it up, made it look kind of prettier-ish.
Oh, and also when I filled that gap, I forgot that was there. That big one.
Oh yeah, yeah. For
and then we put spots right there, so we don't have to clamp anymore.
Yep. A little more streamlined.
Discovered that this is a bass drum.
Yeah, we got a drum effect going on, which kind of sucks, but yeah, what can you do?
Okay, then filled up that hole, filled up this string of holes.
Yeah, we decided to go with the welding way.
Filled this big ass hole.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a hole or not. If it is, I'll weld it.
It might be from like a self tapper or something. It'll be alright. I mean, you could
Gas
sit
can
there.
go over it though.
What's that?
Gas can goes over it once.
Yeah, you won't even see it hardly. That's about good there. We still got a little tweaking to do on this, but it's not too bad.
The best part is
solid. Yeah, you ain't bending those again. So, and we got this gaping hole that once was a fender, and now it's gone. So we took and we're leaving a 1/2 inch lip to weld to, and we'll just skin over top of it again. We got our nice shiny new, what is that, wheelhouse.
Is this 18 gauge?
Yeah.
That's solid.
Yeah, it's got all the ribs in it, so it's just
every time
super.
I always comment, is that 18 gauge?
And we got our backing plate, which is way too big. That's what we want. So we're just about ready to set that on, but overtime.
So
Got this little beauty in there.
We got these suckers in there.
Yeah, so I haven't even checked this one yet, so it's not looking too bad. There's a few holes that seem Sealer would take care of, but she ain't looking horrible.
Finish this sucker.
Yeah, so that's less of a hole.
I mean, it's ugly, but you won't see it, so I didn't really
yeah.
care about making it nasty.
It's his car, not mine, so.
That's welded solid down there.
Yeah, so that should bear pretty good in there. So we got that.
Then, got this battery tray.
Oh yeah. Now we can put our battery in. beautiful. I just want it painted the same color, you know. It's the underside, so that's done.
We got this one done too.
Yeah, we can't figure out how to do the fronts yet, so that's a research kind of day.
Bracket.
Yeah, our pattern was gone. Somehow, it's got to connect, and we think
Yeah, right like this.
got to have some fancy curvy bracket or something, because it's really weird.
It's missing half of it.
Yeah, so we might have to do a little research to get that to work right, but who knows? It might even bolt onto the fenders. So we might. Yeah, I mean it kind of worked. Doesn't really fit too good, but we might just take it home and check with the fenders. So we'll take that with us, and hopefully that'll fit in there. Still gotta trim your bolts, but you know.
This one?
Yeah, we could just take a grinder and nip those off. So if you're ever working on it, you ain't bumping your head on the damn thing. That'd be good there.
Off the leakage.
Yeah. We're just filling the punch list.
This point.
Yeah. All the final sheet metal work on it. So hopefully we'll have most of it done by tomorrow. So we get on the paint scheming. Yeah.
Tomorrow, I could probably get most of it.
Yeah.
Especially if you're helping me out.
Yeah, we should, a couple hours on that fender and we'll be out of that, so. How does it feel to be on the punch list?
It's pretty monotonous.
Yes.
Boring.
Yes. It takes a lot of time to do the final stuff, and you wrap just hours. We've already wrapped hours in the punch list, so.
Yeah, look at that.
There's less daylight.
Less punch list to do.
Yeah. So. Oh well.
Pretty successful, I think.
I say so. I think it's time to go to tomorrow. Well, we're halfway through Mustang Tuesday. Almost. And we're on the punch list. We got the fender fit. Halfway looking decent. Over here's all patched in with the spray guards. Brian's over there doing the inner for the front rockers. Now I'm on the back side trying to do the inner valances. You already got this patched in there for a splash guard. So this side's, we'll say, pretty well complete. I believe. Yeah, a little bit of holes to fill, but nothing major. Alright, Brian, it's the end of Tuesday. You know what that means.
Yeah, recap. Okay. So, we patched a whole bunch of these little guys all the way over there. Welded in here.
Made that look a little better in there.
We sanded a lot.
Yeah.
We patched right there.
Yeah.
It's full of sand right now. Miller cleaned up all the grinds, or all the welds.
Yep, so everything around, my cross here is looking pretty good. Even down at the bottom, we didn't neglect it.
Filled a couple holes. And Miller grinded over here as well. Mainly down there and there.
Yeah.
And that.
The big uglies.
We filled up all the holes, although they didn't really.
Yeah, you won't see them because the gas tank will always be on them, so.
But either way, structural integrity.
Yeah. We wanted to make sure that was tough in there.
Of course, we got the second fender on finally. That's
yeah, with the wheelhouse. Still got the stickers on her. We gotta rip those off.
Yeah. Or do it.
I don't know, might just pay an order to pain in the ass.
And then,
So
all the way in the bottom there. Maybe you can see.
Yeah.
See those little triangle gussets right in the frame there.
Yeah, you kinda can't see.
Well,
oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Hey!
The triangle gussets, put those in on both sides for a little extra support.
Yeah, even transfer of energy. So
And deep in there, we put a little more support on the transmission casing?
Yeah, the transmission cross member. So you patched the ends of those because they were a little bit lower. So you can see it better there. So you put those on there kind of nice. And you should probably weld a little more on there.
You think so?
Yeah, across the end. Yeah, I'd weld those across the end. Just so it's bearing off this.
Oh, right there?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so we'll do that next week anyway. So that's that. We got this.
Patched right here.
It's kind of ugly, but you know.
Practicality.
Practicality.
Over personality.
Yeah, so both sides are like that now, and pretty much done filling holes, I'd say.
We had a couple more holes that we filled before there. There's too many today.
Yeah, it was just the punch list day.
Oh.
And
Yes,
yeah,
I think
we got a
those two
new
things down there, we're good.
new streamline look. No doors, we're thinking about sticking with it.
Ultra aerodynamic.
Yeah, easy in and out, no doors, like a Jeep.
Hop in. It's like a little golf cart.
And contrary to the popular belief, she didn't fold in half. Who would have thunk it? So, just clean up, and we're right now in the paint prep stage. So, there'll be a lot of sanding. Hopefully we'll get some blasting media in. Yeah, you smooth that in there real nice. All the layers are come together real slick.
This Bondo patch.
Yeah, we got some nasty Bondo there, which will...
And some reasons why the Bondo's so nasty.
Yeah, little holes, but you can't buy this piece, and it'd be a pain in the ass to make it, so...
Fine, that would be so nice, though.
Oh, if we could replace it, that'd be wonderful. But, yeah, snip it. Couldn't find it anywhere, so we're stuck.
Luckily, it's not very structural.
Yeah, it's just to hold the soft top from looking good. The chrome strip. It'll be covered with chrome anyways. That's that. Holes patching. Punch list is pretty much complete.
Oh, yeah, show them the blue one right there. That I tried to do it, I'm like, alright, I'm just gonna weld it solid.
Oh yeah, he tried putting a patch in, but it fell. And then he had to bubble gum it. That's going to take a little bit of grinding. That's a lot of damage. Well, besides that, she got the fenders on. So, we're onwards with priming next week. Hopefully we'll get the Raptor liner on it too. So,
That'd be good.
yes.